Hey, what is up YouTube? Thank you guys so much for joining me today. My name is Tobias and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today what I have for you guys is a review of one of those condenser microphone studio bundles, and this time it is by the brand VeGue. I think I'm pronouncing that right, but the model number is the VG016. And just before we get started, I have the Amazon page for this microphone up on my computer right now. I'll show you guys that really quick. Alright guys, this is the Amazon page right here, and if you look over here, it goes for $49.99, comes with free shipping, and that is actually $10 cheaper than what I saw it for a couple weeks ago. Oh, actually, wait. Yeah, right there it says list price was $59.99, and it was actually $59.99 a few weeks ago when I checked on Amazon. And if we just look at the picture really quick, this is a USB condenser microphone. Comes with a shock mount, a microphone arm stand that clamps onto your desk, a little wind muff clown nose type thing, and then a pop filter. And I'll go ahead and leave the link to this Amazon page down in the description of this video in case anybody wants to check it out. So as usual guys, I will be doing a quick unboxing followed by a demonstration followed by a review. And really quick, before we get started, if you guys like this video or if this video helps you out at all, I would really appreciate it if you went down there, gave this video a like. That would help me out so much. And if you want to see more videos by me in the future, make sure that you subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notifications button. I have a ton of tech reviews on my YouTube channel, millions of microphone reviews, not actually millions, but I do have a lot. And let's go ahead and get into this. Alright guys, so here's everything that came inside the box. So like a lot of these microphone bundle kits, a lot of the stuff inside the box seems to be standard across all of the brands. So let's just go ahead and go over everything that came inside the box, and we'll start at the left and make our way over to the right. So first we have the microphone arm stand that's right here. Right here we have the shock mount, and the way that this works is that you open it by squeezing these sides like that, sticking the microphone inside, and then they'll clamp around it. Right here we have the pop filter, and it feels like, whoops, it is a double screen pop filter, you know, a screen on the front and a screen on the back. The USB cable right here, the actual microphone itself, the user guide, we have the little clown nose wind muff thing. Right here we have a 2-year replacement warranty card, and then to the left of that we have the clamp that goes around the desk. In case anybody's wondering, the clamp that goes onto your desk seems to be able to open to about 2¼ inches, in case anybody is wondering, which seems to be roughly 6 centimeters. So let's go ahead and set this thing up, connect it to my computer, and we'll try it out. Alright guys, so I have the microphone all set up on the arm stand, I have it plugged into my computer, and it's time to move on to the demonstration portion of this video, where I will be recording audio with this microphone into my computer into the program Logic Pro. Logic Pro's a music recording software made by Apple, and I'm going to be monitoring the audio with my headphones, so while I'm recording I could hear exactly how the mic sounds, and after that I'll give my final thoughts and review on the microphone. So on the count of 3, the next audio that you hear will be coming from this microphone right here. 1, 2, 3. Alright guys, so now the audio that you are hearing is coming from this microphone right here. I'm monitoring the audio with my headphones. And right off the bat, I just want to say really quick, if you guys are hearing like a watery noise, this always happens when I review microphones for some reason. My fish tank is a little low on water, so the filter is making some watery type noise. So that's what that is. But apart from that, right off the bat, I can hear that there's like some kind of interference. If you guys can't hear it, just turn up the volume. I'm gonna not talk for a second so you guys could hear it. I'm sure you guys can hear that as well. If you're not wearing headphones, I would recommend maybe wearing headphones for this just so you could hear it a bit clearer. Like there's like that constant note under my voice. That doesn't seem to want to go away. There's just that constant background noise. And my voice, it sounds okay. I mean, I kind of feel like my voice sounds a little thin. Yeah, it's... What the heck is going on? It's really weird, guys. Like, for some reason... Let me see what's going on. Hello. I don't know what's going on, guys, but for... I'm gonna have to stop this for a second. Alright, guys, so I'm back. For some reason, I don't know what just happened, but my voice started getting really, really delayed. I don't know what's going on, but... It's like very delayed. Like, right... It just got delayed. I think we've heard enough. I think we have a pretty good idea of how this microphone sounds. I'm going to move on to my review portion of this video. Alright guys, so I just had to stop recording because it was becoming like almost impossible to focus on what I was saying, because after I was recording for maybe, I don't know, 30 seconds or so, or just near the end right there, my voice just became super delayed. Like, I want to say like maybe a 2-second delay. So I'd be talking and then everything I said like 2 seconds ago, I was hearing it in my headphones, and it was just like I was talking over myself. It became very hard to record. So I don't know what's going on with that. Like, if any of you guys are familiar with my channel, I've reviewed a ton of USB microphones, and I've never had one do that. I've never had one like be okay recording at first, and then all of a sudden hit me with like a huge delay. I've never experienced that before. And at first I thought, what the heck's going on? Is something up with like my computer? I thought it was my computer at first. So what I did is I went into my old MacBook, which I have right here, and I went ahead and plugged the microphone into my old laptop. I tried recording it in there, and it did the same exact thing. So then I knew it wasn't the computer, it had to be the microphone. And the crazy thing is, guys, is that I was really excited for this microphone, because usually the good microphones that are like this, like ones that I've reviewed in the past, the good ones go for around like at least $70. So I was like, wow, for $50, you know, $20 cheaper, this would be like, if it performs on the same level as those other microphones that I've reviewed, this would be a steal because it's only like $50. But unfortunately, guys, it just doesn't seem to be on the same level quality-wise. There was that weird constant interference in the background that didn't seem to go away, and then there was that huge latency issue, which I've never really experienced with a microphone before. So I think they have a couple things they need to work on with this product. Maybe, I don't really know what the solution would be. It has something to do with the microphone, I'm not really sure. So unfortunately, guys, this isn't something that I would necessarily recommend. I'll still go ahead and throw the link to this Amazon page down below. If you guys are interested in other USB type microphones like this, I've reviewed several of them. I've had very good experiences with other brands such as Mono or Toner. I'll put some links to a couple of those reviews down in the description of this video in case you guys want to check those out. But I think that pretty much sums up my review of this VeGue condenser microphone kit. If this video helped you guys out, or if you liked it, I'd really appreciate it once again if you went down there and gave it a like. That would help me out tremendously. And if you want to see more videos by me in the future, make sure to hit that subscribe button and hit that bell notifications button. And I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Peace!